Okay. Hello everyone. My name is ELIEL, and today I'm in a factory. I'm in Xi'an factory, and then today we are going to introduce the company once again and talk about the company and introducing. Today we are in Xi'an Brightway factory, and then let's start introducing the company from the start. Come with me, and then I will introduce the company. Xi'an Brightway was established in 2012 in Xi'an, the ancient capital of China, as an innovative and diversified industrial development group. It provides integrated solutions spanning the R&D and the manufacturing of high-end oil equipment, cross-border trade of crude oil and refined products, oil and gas engineering, and technical service and oil and gas field development. As you can see, Brightway has uh, developed their country in more than 70 countries. That is a lot that have been sending and shipping their equipment in more than 70 countries. So Brightway have now 11 subsidiary branches, which are situated in a lot of countries. And Brightway is global in 20 countries and have more than 100 property. This is a small introduction of our company. Our company, where is main base? Our main base is in China, in Xi'an, and then we have a Nigerian branch, Indian branch, and Russian branch. As we can see on the map here, there are different type of branch and where we are located. Our Brightway is located and where we are shipping our equipment. As you can see here, we have all type of qualification to ship all over, and all these qualification help us to go to ship without any problem and sending abroad and sending to other people for all all over. Brightway has over 100 intelligent property pattern, which we can see on the on the board here. All the certification are made for it, and the cooperative culture. And then, as a cooperative culture and cooperative team, there, there is, we can see there's our team, which is like global. We have a big team. Our team is diversified. We can see different person and different type of people who are working with us from different country and corporate team. And then our important customer, as you can see here, we have a lot of customers such as Aramco, Petrobras, Sinopec, Petronas, Pakistan State Oil, GM Energy, and so on. A lot of companies which we are working with and important customers that like we are providing our equipment. As you can see, our drilling rig can go up to 15,000 meters. That is very, very deep. And then we can see from the logo there how deep it can go. It can go from 0 to 15,000 meters. And then we have our solid control system, which is helping the drilling of the drilling rig. Here is the drilling rig, the type of drilling rig that is going up to 15,000 meters. And then from there, we can see our CCTV inclusive of our the president of our company, the CEO, which went to introduce more about the company. And then from here, let me start and show you more about what Brightway does. And then let's go to the G side, and I will show you certain part of the factory. There it is. Let's see. Let's look at this place. This place is more about the refinery place. Not just the refinery place, it's like a modeling place, which they are modeling and refining certain part of the vertical cutting dryer and then the other part of certain equipment that we are doing. Let me pass from here. As you can see from here, we have our engineer who are working hard. They're working hard and modeling certain things. As you can see from here, you will see it's trying to model some pieces which we can go that side, and this side we will be cleaning. It's like a refining area. Let's go straight and look. As you can see, this is more with the engineer here. is refining the product. Those machines are kind of removing the dust, all the part that is a bit dirty. As you can see, we will show you is to more to refining the things that have been made to the other side of the refining from the factory. Let's go more in front. All of these machines, as I was saying, those machines are for modeling and refining. This is another refining machine. Inside here, you can see it's using high pressure water to clean and to remove all the dust, all the crashing parts, because all the motor have to be smooth and clean so that you won't damage any problem or cut any person. These are the residue coming from those refining parts of the thing. Let's go straight more in front and see more about what is going on this side. As I was saying, as you can see, all this place made for refining area and modeling area. The other side we were showing, it was using kind of high pressure water to refine. This side more, we are going to see the cutting process from where it's cut, and then it's like a step by step from this step and the other step. So from this side, let's go here and introduce more about the company. As you can see, we are going to introduce our vertical cutting dryer. We have 8 vertical cutting dryer now that are ready to be shipped. These vertical cutting dryer are made for Canada. There are 8, and they will be used in a oil field and then for the waste treatment. As you can see, let's go and talk more about this vertical cutting dryer. As I was saying, this vertical cutting dryer are 8. They will show you. These are for waste management treatment. Our vertical cutting dryer are made with high pressure air night, high steel cutting cylinder. They are made with high pressure pump, new motor. They are made with also with high quality steel. I was coming for it. So this is our cutting dryer from what they are made with. And so let's talk about the capacity of this vertical dryer. This vertical dryer has a capacity of 450J, which is a high capacity, and then it can rotate over 900 times RPM, which are rotation per minute. So it means like it rotates 900 times to separate mud and oil and water. What's their efficiency? Our vertical cutting dryer have an efficiency of 10% less than for water and 6% for oil. It means like when it rotates, it have a 6% of residue of oil and 10% of residue of water, which is they are in the standard of the global environment protection. Let's go more in front and see more about this vertical cutting dryer. Here in Brightway, we make everything according to your desire, like according to what you want, what model you want, the capacity that you want. Here in Brightway, we are able to make everything that's possible to be doing. Let's go more in front and talk more about this vertical cutting dryer. Can you show them more this side? Come, let's show them this side. As you can see, it's more there. So as I was saying about capacity, this one have 40 tons per hour capacity. The alloy strap is higher wear resistant. has a long service life, and independent oil cooling system keep the machine running reliably even in high temperature environments. The machine also supports continuous operation. The application of this vertical cutting dryer. Our vertical cutting dryer is mainly used for oil-based drilling waste treatment, oil-based drill cutting separation. As I was talking about the treatment results, it has the after treatment residual of oil content is less than 10%, is less than 6%, as I was saying, and the water content is less than 10%. This is mainly about our vertical cutting dryer. There are 8 ready to be shipped in Canada and we send very soon. This one is just a new, the other method which we are going to is to assemble them and ready to be sent and test and be sent. Here in Sheehan Brightway, we are ready to make any type of vertical cutting dryer, not just vertical cutting dryer, all type of equipment that is necessary according to your desire. If you want with any type of J-force, of capacity, of height, depending on your choice, we are ready to make it because this is a factory. We work according to your desire. Everything is possible. And Sheehan Brightway have been exported to more than 1,000. Have been exported more than 1,000 vertical cutting dryer all over the world. So from here, thank you for hearing me. I was introducing Sheehan Brightway and the vertical cutting dryer, and then we can go straight and talk more about the other step of the vertical cutting dryer.
Okay.
Where should I put it? Here. Oh, okay. Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Joseph from Brightway Energy Company. Right now, we are inside the factory and today we are going to put the final checks on our 24 customized BW, LW, the Decanter centrifuges that are for our clients from the Middle East, and it's a mix of high and medium speed. So now it's time to follow me as I take you through and you see exactly what we have for you. Right now, this is one of the decanter centrifuges that have been made in this factory. These decanter centrifuges, they come in roughly 4 types. That is the low, medium, high, and variable high-speed models. All these ones can be applied in source control and drilling waste treatment sites, and they are doing very much better. So from there, I don't know, I need to move up here and show you one of the components of this machine. This Decanter centrifuge you see here, one of the standout feature on this Decanter centrifuge is this liftable base or this liftable frame. It makes the maintenance so easy, and also makes the footprint so compact on the ground. And also, when we talk about durability, there is this drum. It's a 2205 duplex stainless steel, which is of very high quality. Inside here, it's accompanied by a screw with a wear-resistant alloy inside there. So it makes it very good in separating the fruits inside, and makes it of very much high quality. Now, moving forward, this Decanter centrifuge here you're seeing, it can be applied in various sites. It can be used in separating the fine solids that have escaped through other processes, and this machine is very much able to do that. It comes with a repressible slave alloys, and that one makes maintenance also very much easy. So let's move along and show you. It also comes with this explosive proof control, electric control panel, and it's rare of high quality, and it's also what sets it to be very much of high quality. This is a very high speed model, and it separates the solids at a very fast rate. Moving away, let's look at more and more. Let's look at more of these machines. So, as I said, there are 24 units in number. They are all for our clients in the Middle East. Everything here is supposed to be taken to the to our clients in the Middle East, and as you can see, they are fully finished, fully assembled, and they are just waiting to be dispatched and shipped to our clients in the Middle East. There are quite many, and all of these ones are of a mix. We have some that are of low, others are medium, others are of high speed, and others are just of variable high speed models. All these have been manufactured in this factory. And also, I want to remind you that everything here that you see, our engineers can do everything for you according to your project needs. It can be customized. So everything here was customized according to our client needs. So moving away from there, you can see others are just on top there. It's These ones are quite a bit different, but they also do the same job as others. You see, this one they have like something like 2 floors, and the other one is also having only 1 floor. So this one here, they are a bit more advanced than the other ones, but they're all for our clients. So this is what we mean by customizing. These ones are customized according to the client needs. So these ones have been exactly manufactured according to how the client wanted it. So they are ready to be dispatched as a side. They are 24 units, and they are going to be dispatched to our client in the Middle East. And also, I want to let you know that these machines are real workhorses. They handle everything from oil source control and drilling waste treatment to bright recovery. They are also ideal for trenches and recycling and managing sludge wastewater. Now, we also added a bit of they are also combined with pickering, passivation, and hot dipping galvanizing for corrosion protection, meaning these units deliver high capacity with a very low failure rate. I also want to let you know that in the field, they separate solids down to 2 to 7 microns, and this means you get exceptionally clear drilling mud and high efficiency barrage recovery. Now, these machines have been exported to over 2,000 countries worldwide, and these centrifuges globally are of long-term supplier to major oil farms in Indonesia, India, Russia, and that's the level of trust we have in the Middle East, meaning we are very much trusted by the major oil companies across the globe. So if you're there and you're looking for some of these machines for your project that are used in oil and oil source control system, and you also want for bright recovery, drilling waste treatment, all these machines can be applied in those kind of projects. Just reach out to us, and our engineers are ready to provide you with a customized plan for your project. Right now, people are busy in the factory, as you see. They're putting the final touches, and all these, they're all finished products and ready to be taken to to be shipped to our clients in the Middle East. So, right now, allow me to end this video by calling out to you. If you're there and you are interested in this kind of machines for drilling waste treatment and also oil source control equipment like this one, these are high quality machines, and they come in different types of models. Every kind of models, they can be manufactured according to your original needs of your project. So contact us today, and we shall respond accordingly with our efficient engineers ready to do the exact work that you want. Reach out to us, and we shall respond positively. Thank you so much.
So